In 2025 ना कार बाइंग में बड़ी कंफ्यूजन है. Should you buy an EV? Should you buy a petrol car, a diesel car? ऑप्शंस की भी कोई कमी नहीं है. लेकिन एक चीज मैं आप लोग सबको हमेशा कहता हूँ ना, डोंट एवर कॉम्प्रोमाइज व्हेन यू आर बाइंग टेक. लेकिन आप लोग बोलोगे यार ये तो कार है, टेक थोड़ी है. That's what you think. This is the Maruti Suzuki Grand Vitara with strong hybrid technology. ये है एक extremely high-tech SUV. मैं ऐसा क्यों कह रहा हूँ? क्योंकि टेक इस गाड़ी में जो है is really revolutionary. The way this car drives, the way it actually treats its passengers, इसमें बहुत ही next gen features हैं. Let me show you some amazing ones. लेकिन पहले, what is a strong hybrid? एक strong hybrid गाड़ी वो होती है that runs on a petrol engine and an electric motor, which means depending on your need for your drive, this car can switch between petrol and its electric motor. City driving में 60% of the time this car is using its electric motor. That means near zero fuel consumption. हर बारी जब आप ब्रेक करेंगे, जैसे मैंने अभी किया, या स्टॉप गो ट्रैफिक में आप ब्रेक करेंगे, this car will charge its battery using its regenerative braking. लेकिन हाईवे में भी जहाँ पे जरूरत होगी, जहाँ पे नहीं है नीड पेट्रोल की, it will automatically switch back to its electrical mode. यानी कि वहाँ पे भी you will save a lot on petrol, and this leads to the highest fuel economy for any passenger vehicle. Plus in EV mode it drives super silent. अभी EV mode में कुछ आ रहा है सुनाई? Nothing. और ये जो switch है between petrol and electric mode, it's really smooth. लेकिन I have really devised a very interesting test. करें? हमने यहाँ पे रखा है एक पानी का ग्लास. जब ये switch करेगा between modes, let's see if the water actually moves. चलो ये तो हम लोग ने एस्टैब्लिश कर लिया that the switching is absolutely seamless. लेकिन now let's get into some driving tech features that are again as amazing. आपके पास हैं 3 ड्राइविंग मोड्स. एक है पावर मोड. ये बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग है. इसमें जो पेट्रोल इंजन है और आपका जो इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर है, they both work together to give you exceptional speed, power and performance. And you know this one is absolutely perfect for highways. फिर एक और ड्राइविंग मोड है EV मोड. इसमें जो है गाड़ी चलेगी only on battery power. और ये वाला मोड है बहुत ही फ्यूल एफिशिएंट and it runs in zero emission mode. और सेफ्टी का भी पूरा ख्याल रखा है इन्होंने with 6 airbags as standard. But now it's time to show you some fantastic tech that is inside the car. Believe me, this is absolutely revolutionary. अब ड्राइवर के लिए if you want to adjust your seating position, height या recline, all of that is also done using these buttons. Fully electric है, 8-way driver powered seat and recline, सब कुछ बटन से होगा. Along with that, there's some more good to have tech features, जैसे कि ventilated seats हैं, tire pressure monitoring system है, super helpful, convenient and really works. All of which and a lot more can be controlled by a Suzuki Connect app on your smartphone. And that's not all. एक और ऐसा बड़ा ही amazing feature है that activates at the touch of a button. This is a very critical one for those who live in polluted cities. Auto purify with a PM 2.5 display. So much tech built in. हर फीचर के साथ ना this car is justifying its title as a very high-tech SUV. You've got screens all around you. Steering mounted controls हैं, Apple CarPlay है, Android Auto भी है. Overall interior loaded है tech and features के साथ, keeping pace with the amazing driving hybrid technology inside. अब बाहर से देखते हैं what is new. बहुत ही हाई-टेक लुक एंड फील है इस गाड़ी की, स्पेशली विद द R17 machined alloy wheels. It's got this very butch SUV stance, almost as it's ready to pounce forward, है ना? LED की DRLs हैं all around and that very iconic Grand Vitara grille right in the front. All in all, बहुत ही futuristic looking car है with very futuristic tech built right in. तो overall अंदर के जो tech features हैं, these are absolutely amazing, keeping pace with the driving hybrid technology. So मेरे हिसाब से for Indian conditions and Indian roads, strong hybrid is the perfect solution. And the Maruti Suzuki Grand Vitara strong hybrid is the perfect example of how to get hybrids done just right. And there's an 8-year warranty, yes, 8 years on the batteries, which shows just how confident Maruti Suzuki is about their reliability. Great fuel economy, silent driving, no range anxiety, plus no hassle of finding charge stations at all, and best part, lower carbon emissions. Prices इस strong hybrid की शुरू होती है at about 16.99 lakhs. तो क्या आप तैयार हैं for your first ever strong hybrid tech SUV? बताना मेरे को comments में. I'm going for another ride.